ako babalikan ng mga alaala. Pero heto sila, sumasabay sa bawat takbo ng buhay ko. O baka, ako na ang sumusunod sa kanila.
New place, new start, right? Mabi? Oh my God! Mabi! Kamusta ka na? Ang tagal din natin di nagkita, ha? Miss na kita. Pero you know, kanti lang.
Miss din kita, especially your endless chatter.
Uy, grabe. Nagiging madaldal lang naman ako pagkasama kita. Ko kasi, ang tipid-tipid mo magsalita. Baka nga napapanisan ka na ng laway niyan, ha?
Do they see me like that too?
Hoy! Girl! Tulala ka na naman? Hay, buti pa, ayusin na lang natin yung mga gamit mo. Mukhang palupat ka na eh. Charot?
Drowning in the flood. You see, I've always been a fighter, but without you, I give up. Now I can't sing a love song like the way it's meant to be. Well, I guess I'm not that good anymore, but baby, that's just me. Yeah, I will love you, baby. Always, I'll be there forever and a day.
Hindi yung bagong transfer, di ba?
Oo, parang sa akin. Pero parang kumindrin sa akin.
Wala, saan bubot kayo? Natakot na yata eh.
Uy, hindi ko sila nakakot to. Familiar na naman siya sa akin. Feeling ko sa'yo, nakasakay mo talaga sa Shelly.
No. Hindi nila ako kilala. Hindi nila ako kilala. Wala lang yun. Wala naman.
Bakit? Parang hindi sila nakikinig. May mali ba sa report ko? O ayaw lang nila sa akin? Wala ka na talagang ginawang tama, Mabi.
Thank you for your wonderful performance, Mrs. Gonzales. Gonzales? Mrs. Gonzales? Gonzales?
Yes, sir. Sorry po, sir.
Take your seat.
Naman na ang lahat, tinapan naman na.
Grabe, galing niya talaga no?
Jollibee talaga, bidang-bidang.
Active talaga.
Sa mata nila, ganun ka pa rin. Kita-kita ka pa rin. Wala kang kwentang estudyante. At kahit saan ka pumunta, ganun pa rin ang tingin nila sa'yo. And you can change that fact.
Hindi. Hindi sila ganon. Tigilan mo na ako.
You don't run away from me, Bobby. We are one. You will let me.
Pwede ba dito? Lance Pelicano? I'm Lance. Klase mo sa park.
Oo. I'm not.
Mabi? What a cool name. Kanina ko pa mag-isa eh. Naisip ko lang, baka gusto mo masabay.
He's just pretending, just like the rest. Lahat sila, lalayo rin sa'yo.
Init na nga. Kung accounting ka, hindi na naiisip.
Love sa kaibigan?
Ate,
used to know, but I'm not sure now what I was made for. What was I?
Uy, andyan na naman si ano, no? Nakita mo ba? Sino yung laging mag-isa? Oo. Lagi kasi siya mag-isa, siguro wala siyang kaibigan. Siguro masama ang bagay nun, no?
Look so alive. Turns out.
Okay ka lang?
oo. Medyo pagod lang.
No worries, dito lang ako pag if you need a friend. Big movies. One. Lance, ano, Jiro, sama ka? Sige, wait lang. Mabi, tinawag mo ba ako?
Wala lang. Mali ka lang nandun.
Ay, okay, pasensya na.
Mami, may award po ako sa school bukas. Punta po kayo, ha? Mami? Andyan pa po ba kayo?
Ha? Ano ulit yun, Nak?
Sabi ko po, may award.
I'm sorry, Nak. Busy si Mama ngayon. Mamaya na lang, ha?
Pero, Mom... Bakit ganon? Bakit ganon sila?
Dahil ayaw mo rin makawalan ng mami.
Tigil ka na, please. Tigil ka na. Stop.
Mabi? Oh my God! Mabi! What happened? Ha? Bakit ka umiiyak? Hoy! Mabi, ano ba? Natatakot na din ako sa'yo.
Natatakot rin ba sa akin?
What? Ano? Of course not. I mean, I'm worried about you, Mabi. Your situation. I feel like these past few months, you're not yourself anymore.
Can you just please leave me alone, Sandy?
No, uwi muna tayo sa dorm and sasamahan kita.
Please.
Mabi? Fine. Uwi muna tayo sa dorm and then I'll leave you alone. Okay? Tara? You're not yourself anymore.
Did you think crying in a bathroom would be your salvation? You treated your mommy like a stray dog on the street. Even Sandy. She only cares about you because she feels sorry. No one really sees you,
I didn't ask to be seen like this.
but you did. Every time you smile, so they won't see you breaking. Every time you laugh, so they won't hear you cracking. You invited the world in, but no one stayed.
I was just a child when the world told me that I wasn't enough.
And you believed it. You let their words grow in you like a rat. You let me grow. I am the parts you buried. The rage, the begging, the loneliness. You can kill what you created.
I didn't create you. They did. When they laughed, when they left, when they forgot that I had feelings. Why? What did I ever do to deserve this?
You existed.
You're right. You're my pain, but you are not my identity.
Without me, who will protect you?
Myself. I choose peace. I choose me.
Understand the way we feel. They just don't trust what they can't explain. I know we're different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all. You'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Don't listen to them, 'cause what do they know? We need each other.
Good afternoon po. Busy po kayo.
Hindi naman.
Pwede pong Bible study niyo po.
Thank you po.
Salamat po.
We spend so much time begging for the world to see us, hoping someone, anyone, will tell us we matter. But sometimes, it takes falling apart to realize we've been whole all along, just hidden, just unheard. I've stopped asking who I need to be and started embracing who I've always been. And maybe healing doesn't mean forgetting the pain. Maybe it means finally choosing to live. Despite it, I'm not who they said I was. I'm who I decide to become.
Uy, mga B, nandiyan ka pala. Pwede makinig po?
Sige, upo lang.
Siya nga po si Patricia. Exchange student siya. At pinag-usapan kasi ako ni Lynn kung pwede siyang ito.
Hi, Mabi. I'm Patricia. Bless you, Lord.
Sabihin sa akin lahat ng hiling ko. Ingatan ko. Ibalik sa akin ang promise.
May giro pa pala.
You can change. Mabi! Huwag ka tatawa! What the?
From Sandy. Gaganon kita na, boy.